The Rubicon Trail is a 16-mile out and back trail right next to Emerald Bay, Lake Tahoe. It's perfect for a day hike, and is actually one of the first trails that really got me into the outdoors. Alright, just got the bandana on. We're gonna start the trail. We're right at the tip of Emerald Bay, so let's get this going. It's gonna be a cool day. The trail usually sees its fair share of people, but given the pandemic and the situation of the world, we had this rare opportunity that we couldn't pass up to see the trail empty. The view from the middle of Emerald Bay is absolutely stunning and is perfect to relax just for a few moments. You'll notice a castle, which was actually built as a summer house in the early 1900s, along with this plant, which was disappointingly named Snow Plant. We also noticed quite a bit of wildlife, absolutely thriving without having any people to worry about. The views only seem to get better and better as we make our way along the coastline toward DL Bliss State Beach. The water turns this very vivid blue, which is just amazing each and every time I go there. So we're at this spot just above the water, and in the summertime a bunch of people jump off right there. The water is literally like Kool-Aid, Gatorade. Oh, that's amazing. So we're gonna get headed back now. We have about another 2-3 hours to go. So 8 miles coming and 8 miles going too. So I think it should fly by. Probably have to run a front part of it as well. Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks for watching the video. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'm pretty excited that I got the DJI Mavic Air 2 for some of my upcoming videos. So if you're looking forward to seeing some of those aerial shots that I'm going to be able to get with that, go ahead and give it a subscribe and stay tuned for more content.